this is the Insta360 Go 3. Oh man, this has everything. So let's take a look at the brand new features that the Go 3 has to offer and what you can expect if you decide to pick one up. It has a multifunctional action pod with a built-in 2.2-inch touchscreen which can also flip, 2.7K video resolution, and it weighs only 35.5 grams. It gives you a hands-free shooting option and also has a bigger and better battery for longer record times up to 45 minutes. It has new features like time capture, loop recording, and pre-recording. It's also waterproof down to 5 meters or 16 feet. It also comes with voice control, so you can tell the camera if you want to record a video or take a photo. It also has a customizable button to make it easier to navigate between your favorite settings, a total of 13 color profiles, and a brand new magnetic mounting system. It comes with all the accessories you need, so you don't have to go out and buy additional accessories when you get the Go 3, and it also has the industry-leading flow state stabilization which we're used to with the Insta360 products. It can also shoot normal videos which can be added directly to a timeline in your editing software without needing the Insta360 Studio or mobile app. The normal 2.7K video mode also has 3 different stabilization options depending on your need, and this does not add an additional crop. And the Insta360 mobile app still has the same AI-powered editing for effortless social media posts. The Go 3 also has a dual microphone system for a better directional audio. It also comes in 3 different storage sizes depending on your needs, 32, 64, or 128 gigabytes. It also has the same removable lens guard, which means you'll be able to add ND filters to this in the future. And if I didn't mention the screen already, I think it's worthy of another mention. It flips. Now, as for my personal experience using the Go 3 for the last month now, it's something that I can highly recommend. Now, Insta360 sent me this camera, but it's not a sponsored video, so I'm not obligated to say anything good about this camera. But if you know me, if you've been here on this channel before, you know that I love using the Go 2. And the Go 3 to me is a huge upgrade from the Go 2. So it's something that I can strongly recommend to at least look into. And if you decide to get one, then 128 gigabytes is my recommendation because you're gonna fill this up fast. Also, I'm not sure how many units they have of 128, so make sure to grab that if you have the chance. There will also be some links down in the description below if you want to pick one up, and also some accessories that I recommend using with the Go 3, which I've been using with the Go 3 for the past month. And I will also have an in-depth video coming pretty soon of the Go 2 versus the Go 3, and also a full in-depth guide on the Go 3. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Like I said, links down in the description. Let me know what you think of the Go 3. Is it something that you will get? And if you decide to get one of these, what type of videos will you be shooting with it? So I think that wraps it up. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the in-depth video which is coming soon. So with that said, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.